My name's Andy Duvall. I represent MicroRidge Systems. We're located in Central Oregon, and I'm the sales director, product developer, and one of the owners of MicroRidge. MicroRidge is a company that specializes in what I like to call the brokering of data from measurement devices. So we are a third-party interface that we attach a wireless transmitter to your common gauges, calipers, micrometers, indicators, and we provide that data to be transmitted wirelessly to whatever software for data management, quality management, anything like that. So I think where manufacturing is going, and a lot of misconceptions are, you measure to make sure that you don't have a bad part, right? And I call that the first order of quality management, where you're measuring your part, making sure you don't have a bad part to send to the customer. Where I see the future of manufacturing really takes shape is measure in situ, measure during your process so that you know when your process is drifting so you never get to that point of making a bad product. And I think the future is going to go with more predictive maintenance issues and using measurements to not only look at the part, but also look at your system as a whole. You know, it's kind of the whole big data mentality you see in medical and other industries to gather the data as much as you can, process it to see the health of the system, the health of the organization, and the health of your product.